couple hedge fund managers. I had a couple minutes, and I want to talk about a few of my students here because I think they deserve recognition. First, Dakota Buford. Oh my goodness gracious. One, you get an A+, man, for the Effort of the Year award, for the Persistence of the Century award, and for the Pain in the Ass of the Decade award. Okay? Guys, this guy, he must have emailed me 40 or 50 times, okay? And I'm sitting here like, look, I'm busy. I'm telling you, I'm busy. I try to help you when I can. And I got to the point, I was like, look, this guy's not going anywhere. It's like a leech. He's not going anywhere. So finally, we hooked up. We had lunch together because that's what he wanted. He wanted to pick my brain. And I said, look, man, this kind of stuff right here, I said, this don't happen overnight. You're not going to have this tomorrow. So get that out of your head. You need to work hard to get this. And he said, look, if my 40 or 50 emails weren't enough to get your attention, I don't know what else is. So just me being here at lunch with you, Jared, tells me a lot. All right, so this guy is one of the most persistent people I've ever met. Okay, so this was several years ago now. Now we fast forward 2 years later, 25 years old. So he started at 23, he's now 25. So in one of his emails, he sends me after we communicated finally. And he goes, I just sold my car. I said, why'd you do that? He goes, I bought a motorcycle. I'm putting all my money. He had an M6, okay? And he sold it for like 32 grand. Bought a $5,000 motorcycle. He's like, Jared, I got 27,000 bucks. What do you want me to do? I said, I told you, it takes time to be successful. He goes, I got time. I got persistence. You just teach me. So I spent some time. I worked with him personally, okay? He came out to Arizona. We met in New York, okay? Now, he's got a bank account, a trading account with over $300,000 in it. He's on pace to make $337,000 this year, okay? 25 years old, 300 grand from nothing. This guy used to have $10 an hour jobs, used to work in car dealerships and did all that stuff. So Dakota, you, my friend, you are a success story, and I'm proud, man, proud to have you part of the Live Traders team.
Hey guys, Jared Wesley here of Live Traders. How you guys doing? It's been a little bit since I last talked to you guys, so I wanted to go over a trade that was taken today in the Live Traders chat room on First Solar FSLR. Guys, this was a stock that was on my favorites list from the pre-market, because as you guys know, I scanned the pre-market first and I put together my favorites list using a dollar gainers list and a dollar losers list. So let's take a quick look at the daily chart here. So on the bottom left hand corner here, you have FSLR had a big gap up in late October, right? Then a little continuation move, then a big red bar that got engulfed by 4 green bars. Well, after such a big move, such a strong move, such a bullish move, it needed to correct. Okay, and in trading, guys, we have 2 types of corrections, right? We have a correction through price and a correction through time. A price correction is a pullback, a time correction is consolidation. Well, this gave us a little bit of both, but mostly a time correction, right? So we have this consolidation right around the $60 to $63 range, okay? Well, whatever happened on this stock 2 days ago, it sold off. But then yesterday, buyers came back up. It's showing an extreme amount of commitment. They took out this wide range red bar. Guys, that is an extremely, unbelievably bullish sign. Then this morning we wake up and the stock is gapping up, right? You see it gapping up right there. All we need to do is get this thing over the $63 mark. This thing gets over $63 and it's got room to run. So I wake up, I pull out my pre-market chart, guys. Now I want to show you that. You go here, okay, it shows regular session, okay, and then it also shows pre-market, right? So right there, that's 24 hours. Regular session, that's what this stock looks like. Wide bar, narrow bar, blast off. Well, that's exactly the trade we took on it, right? I'm going to go over that in just a second. If I go back, wow, look at this pre-market consolidation, guys, from 62 to 62.50, okay? 62 to 62.50 right here, okay? So ideally, if you wanted to be really aggressive because this gap was so nice, you could have taken this pre-market 9:25, 9:27 in the morning, okay? right over 62.50, put your stop at 62 and let this thing go. But I wanted to see this stock get over the $63 mark on the daily down here. So I waited. So let's turn off the pre-market for just a second. Boom. You have a textbook. Guys, I mean textbook. Salivation time textbook 3-bar play. Wide range green bar, narrow green bar, blast off. On the pullback, you can add to your position, blast off again. Guys, this was a really nice trade. Take a look at this little slide I made for it, okay? FSLR, gap over a daily consolidation with a pre-market base and a 3-bar play. That's the pre-market. Ideal entry, 62.50. Actual entry, 63.05, right up in this range. Stop, 62.50. Guys, take a look at this, 927. Favorites. This is before the market opens. I want to reiterate that because that's important. Because you're not going to meet too many other traders, too many other people that are willing to put their name and reputation on the line where they want to trade a stock. The actual price point, wait for it, before the market opens. I do this every day. 927. The market's not even open yet. I'm telling people, guys, I like FSLR over 63. What do I do? At 9:30, I say, guys, let's buy it. Over 63, stop 62. 2 minutes later, I'm like, whoa, this is getting better now. It's better now. So I want to add to my position over 63.10 and raise the stop up. So instead of having a $1 stop loss, now we have a 50 or a 60 cent stop loss, right? So you're in at 63 and 63.10, average 63.05 with about a 55 cent stop. And this thing went up on the initial pop, guys, $1.50. The initial pop is about 4 to 5 minutes. Pulls back and goes higher again up to 65.50. So ultimately it went $2.50, but I was long gone right in here. Long gone right in here. And you can see the matrix coming all the way up to this area, gone at the $64 mark. Hey man, $1 is a pretty good move on a 50, 55 cent stop. You get your 2 to 1 and you walk away. Not a bad play. Guys, that's what I do here at Live Traders. And the reason I'm saying this so often is it's before the market opens. Nobody does that. I am telling my traders, guys, I want this stock over 63. If it gets over 63 at any point in the day, I want in. And I'm doing that at 927. Well, 930, as soon as the market opens, I put it out there. 932, let's add the position. You can see the results. They speak for themselves. This ended up being a really good trade, guys. If you wanted to truly milk this bad boy, you could have added again right there at 63.80, raised your stop to 63.20. Then, guess what? You're going to have a cost average of 63.40, okay, with a stop at 63.20. Now you got a 20 cent stop, and guess what? $2 move. Woo! That's 10 to 1. So if you have a lot of patience, which I don't, guys, I'm a jittery trader, okay? I'm a jittery trader, all right? You have a lot of patience, you get the massive moves. I like to hit and run. 1.5, 2 to 1 next. 1.5, 2 to 1 next. 1.5, 2 to 1 next. Okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this trade review on First Solar FSLR. I hope you learned a little bit. This is a textbook play. Beautiful gap. Textbook 2-minute play. And you get the result that we're looking for, which is a nice, beautiful winning trade. Have a good one, guys. Jared Wesley, Live Traders. I will see you next time. And never forget, always remember, if you want to be a real trader, you want to be a profitable trader, you want to be a flexible trader, you be a live trader. Have a good one, guys.